Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to attempt to remove these broken bolts inside the block of this Model T. Hopefully I can get them out. I have an idea for both. And honestly never thought I'd have an opportunity like this, and not the average person gets to work on a Model T. So hopefully this all works out. I'm going to shoot them again. Clean them up a bit better.
Seems like a really good idea. In fact, a tool like that, but with bronze, is exactly what we need to clean up the surface of the block.
Understood. I'm hoping this will bite into the head good enough. Sorry, the block. And hopefully that's enough to do it. Then I'm going to go in after it with a torch.
Just get a couple
up-to-date
photographs.
That's perfectly fine. Get as many photos and videos as you want. Don't. We don't need that.
You're not going to overheat the block, are you?
No. This won't only get it so hot. Yeah. Get on this one now.
We're melting the block.
Oh, no, the block won't melt. Right. If the block were to, your pistons as they fire, as the engine's running, your spark plugs and everything. Exactly.
You saw the solder there, or the brazing, or whatever that weld is.
I don't even think I can heat that up. I can heat it up, but I don't think I can melt it.
I just find that fascinating.
Oh, yeah.
What that speaks to is just maybe like scarcity of resources and stuff like that.
Yeah.
There's the serial number. One day with a light, you can look at it right here. And there were something over 15 million Model Ts produced. And this is.
I can clean that up for you if you want to see it better.
I can see it right there. It's 7,263,806. So this is about halfway through.
Wow.
A little less than halfway through the run. That number corresponds to a manufacture date in 1923. There's a whole table of numbers where they recorded every month the numbers that they made. And in later Model Ts, that same number will be stamped on the frame rails underneath the body on the top side of the rail.
Gotcha.
I've found them before on a Model T truck.
Wow. Now, I don't see too much of a point of trying to get my... I'm pretty sure that's actually a different kind of bolt too. Same thread pitch and all, just it's not even a head bolt. I'm pretty sure it's like a stud.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is, because that's why it had that funky nut on it.
Okay. All right, now here's the guy we're going to try.
Hold the phone.
I'm very tempted to see how this works. Like I said, the harder I turn this thing, the more it grips.
Hang on, let me get it.
Yep.
When you're ready. Okay.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Maybe you could tighten that further. Make sure she bites as such. Over here so it gets a better shot. There we go.
No, not moving.
It's turning.
Is it?
I think so. It's turning.
Yeah, it is.
I'm hoping it's turning the actual...
The way that it's threaded?
I'm hoping that it's turning the entire piece, not just stopping right there.
Well,
let me heat up some more. Says I got to turn a little bit. And I can also see it opened up a little bit of a gap in there too. Right down in there. I'm not too sure if you can see when I was burning.
You're closer to it than I am.
Okay. But yeah, I could definitely see it when it was about to, like, when I was turning it. It looked like the entire piece was turning, but I'm hoping that it's the entire piece going all the way down into it is also turning with it. I am hoping for that. So give it a little bit of a shock. Not really ideal, but weight's weight. Try this again. All right, now put my flashlight underneath it so I can pay close attention to it.
I think you moved, didn't you? I think it's turning. It's turning.
Is it really? Yeah, it's turning. Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right.
Turn that bolt.
I'm being very careful with it, though.
Look at that. Look at that. Look how distorted it was.
Thank you, Lord. Please come out. Please tell me this is a sign that you're coming out. I think by now, I think it's actually, I can't tell. Man, it's so close. You can see where it's lifted up now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm hoping, like I said, man. That's good. Not really flimsy.
No, I don't think it's broken.
I hope not.
I would say that's a good guess, yes. Hang on, let me get my
Yep,
focus
whenever you're
on.
ready.
Go ahead.
All right.
It's turning.
I mean, you are correct. I'm hoping it's not turning where it's about ready to snap off inside the block, though.
No, it's turning at the base. I'm watching the base.
Correct.
With under magnification, it's turning. It's coming right out.
I'm going to be utterly shocked because it's getting looser and looser.
Well,
I mean,
that's kind of what we want.
Correct. Yeah, you're absolutely right.
Damn right. That was the goal all along.
I think it freaking worked, dude.
Just grab it, turn it up.
It's hot. I'm just ecstatic that this came off.
That's a wonderful tool. Yeah, that's lucky. That's lucky. Although I was never quite as afraid of that one as I am of the ones that are sheared off closer to the deck like this one is.
I don't know, dude. I think it's. I think we're in the clear. I do.
Wait a second.
What's the matter? What?
You see what's going on.
What?
They've bored it out to a larger size. Well, it's welded onto a plug that's thicker than the diameter of the actual stuff.
That could be the case, but look at the threads. The threads are almost gone there, or right above it. We'll find out.
Or maybe, I don't know, maybe it returns to the same thread as up here, and the same diameter. I don't know.
It might.
It's just whacked.
Unfortunately, it's a little bit too loose for... Yeah, I can't turn it by hand. I am very pleased on how well that worked. I really am.
Am I crazy, or am I... I mean, I'm hoping I'm wrong. I'm hoping it's not been bored out oversized.
No, that could be standard.
I don't think so.
Let's see here.
No, that's oversized, isn't it?
I hate to say it, but I think you might be right. It is. But that doesn't mean you're out. Have you heard what's called a helicoil?
Yes.
A helicoil would would definitely be a lifesaver at this point. Never in my automotive career did I picture myself doing something like this.
Yeah, I'm right there with you.
But heck, sometimes...
Live and learn.
Agreed. So now, because the threads on these things is really good, the only problem is I got one shot with this. However, that one shot I have is a very good one.
Mm-hmm.
And what I mean by one shot is that I've only got one nut. I mean, I'm liking the way that it's looking right now. All around it. All right, we got it grounded. All right, we're going live.
Okay.
Now, the great thing about it is that getting that hot, that's about 1,000 and some degrees right there. That's enough heat for it to go down into the threads of everything. It literally causes it to expand and then slowly start to contract. The expanding part is what breaks the seal. It breaks up all that rust and crap that's in there.
Yeah.
And then now as it starts to slowly contract, you can back it on out and it's going to feel very little resistance. And the fact is that where it was at right now, or where it was at is how far I can go into it, is the blessing part of it. And I've seen worse than this. So now, the moment of truth. Now, here comes the fun part.
Yeah, boy.
Now, I'm debating if I should go ahead and... I want to spray some W40 on this thing, too.
I should get over there.
If you want, absolutely. Where, you want to get over here? Because if you do, I don't need this ground hooked up anymore.
I'm going to take my position back over there on this. Oh, sorry.
Well, you're good. It just covers up my baldness. I'm going to heat this up some more.
Okay, so you have welded a...
I've welded the nut on top of
I'm going to narrate that.
Okay, absolutely. There we go.
Now, we have welded a nut onto the broken bolt at the left front side of the engine.
Here we go. Hopefully here, feel a little bit of resistance.
Let me get ready.
Whenever you're ready.
Go ahead.
Now, I'm hoping that she's on tight.
It's turning.
It is turning.
Your socket's turning.
Indeed.
Look at that.
But I'm also hoping to grab the rest of the stud with it.
Well, I hope so too.
I'm liking the feeling of it so far. Because typically if it snaps off, it's usually going to go cling and right off immediately.
Yeah, I've got some experience with that.
But the fact is I'm
the
still
one
feeling
that broke the other part of it.
I'm still feeling a good amount of resistance here. Very good resistance. Still. That means it's probably got the entire thing.
Yeah, and so.
Remember, I had one shot. And I think I got it.
Yeah.
Booyah! Beautiful. One shot.
And that looks like a regular head bolt end, not a helicurl.
Correct.
Let's take a look at it. Is it hot?
It might be. Just do a tap.
It's fine.
There you go. One shot.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that's standard head bolt. Let's get a picture of that.
Here you go. I don't know about you, but I'm proud of myself at this
Oh,
point.
you should be. Now you've done good work there.